Hello and welcome to my new video. In this video, I will explain Enterprise Service Management, which is an operational module of ITSM. So it includes overview, primary functions, benefits, and how digitalization help with ESM. So let's start with overview. Enterprise management describes the tools and strategies user use to admin, monitor, and, and improve vital day-to-day business processes. Enterprise service management is the strategic approach that extends the principle and best practices of ITSM beyond the IT department to other departments within an organization, such as human resource, finance, and facilities management. ESM aims to improve efficiency, streamline service delivery, and enhance overall customer satisfaction by applying a unified service management framework across the entire organization. An ESM approach often includes a unified service portal where employees can access various services from different departments. This portal provides a consistent user experience and simplifies service requests. ESM involves mapping out services, dependencies, and relationships. This helps identify how different services interact and impact each other. For example, understanding how an HR request affects IT resource or facilities management. This approach leverages technology and the best practices developed in ITSM like service catalogs and incident management to standardize and automate process in various departments. By doing so, ESM facilitates better interdepartmental communication, fosters a culture of collaboration, and drives organizational agility and innovation. Then primary functions. Enterprise management systems can cover a range of specific uses and functions. These are generally related to the following primary functions. Enterprise resource planning. Enterprise resource planning helps organization manage the day-to-day processes associated with the range of business functions, including accounting, procurement, project management, supply chain operations, and risk management and compliance. With the enterprise resource planning, businesses enjoy easier access to the real-time data while eliminating duplicate information and identifying and responding to discrepancies. Then customer relationship management. Customer relationship management is an organizational tool that focuses on tracking and recording interactions with current and prospective customers. The goal of CRM is to streamline and optimize these interactions and ultimately increase the value of each individual's buyer. CSM is the logical extension of CRM, leveraging CRM capabilities to integrate customer management with customer operations and to provide fully unified view of customer management across an entire enterprise. Then supply chain management manages the flow of goods, data, finance, and services and include each step in the process using the transform raw material into finished products. Other important ESM functions can include HR management, financial processing, sales, budgeting, and logistics. Then benefits. ServiceNow ESM has made it possible to bring all departments of your organization under one umbrella to streamline all processes to increase organizational efficiency. It offers one centralized platform that helps you create, consume, and support all business functions. By adopting an enterprise-wide solution like ServiceNow ESM, you will not only be implementing new technology but also bring parity between IT and other departments within your organization to deliver service-based solution. The key benefits of deploying ESM are enhanced employee management, engagement, better control and monitoring, seamless collaboration, and improved customer satisfaction. Enhanced employee engagement. ServiceNow ESM allows organizations to improve the overall engagement and productivity of their employees by providing them with self-service capabilities and facilitating seamless task automation with workflows and notifications. This enables your employees to provide quick, efficient, and personalized support to your customers. Better control and monitoring. For large organization, it is usually a big challenge to monitor and control operations across the teams. Every team offers different services. The support team involves issue raised by the customer regarding a product or service. The facilities team addresses complaints about repairs that demands immediate attention. The IT team fixes laptop issues, and the HR answer all the queries about leaves or insurance policies, etc. All of these should be recorded in single place for better monitoring and control. ESM helps companies to have the detail of all the activities of different teams in the centralized place and provide a comprehensive view by dashboard and generate periodic reports. Seamless collaboration. Especially in the case of business processes that require multiple departments to work in unison with each other, ESM ensures that everyone is on the same page. With simplified communication, well-defined roles, automated workflows, centralized support, ServiceNow ESM allows user to synchronize multiple processes using the centralized platform. Then improve customer satisfaction. When your internal business process are streamlined, you can provide better service to your customers. ServiceNow ESM allows you to have clearly defined roles and responsibility across different departments. It also allows your employees to have quickly and efficient access to the knowledge base, ensuring seamless customer support. How digitalization help with ESM? Digitalization significantly enhance enterprise service management in several ways. Automation of processes, improved data management, integration of services, and support remote work. Automation of processes. Digital tools automate routine tasks across various departments, reducing manual efforts and minimizing errors. This leads to more efficient service delivery. Then improve data management. Digitalization enables better data collection, storage, and analysis. With comprehensive data analytics, organization can make informed decisions and identify areas for improvement in their services. Then integration of services. Digitalization allows for the integration of various departmental services into a single unified platform, facilitating easier access to service and information for employees. Then support remote work. In today's increasingly remote work environment, digital ESM tools ensure that employee can access services and support regardless of their location. Digitalization in ESM leads to more efficient, scalable, and user-friendly service management, driving overall organizational efficiency and effectiveness. So that's all for this session. In my next video, I will explain release management, which is also an operational module of ITSM. Thank you.